Hey there, this is Sonny with Arizona Wholesale Solar. Today's video I am going to show an APS homeowner how to get their electricity usage from the APS website. The reason why we do that is because we design your future solar system based on the electricity history that you have with APS. So the first thing you'll do is get to the APS website, aps.com. The second thing is you will go ahead and log in, which if you don't have a login, you will need to create one. And it's super easy. You'll just need your APS account number and you'll get up into this area and there'll be an option there to create one. So once you're logged in, you're going to see this as the main page, front page of APS of a profile. And from here, you can download your most recent bill. You'll be able to see maybe what your previous balance was, the payment, what your new bill is, all that good stuff. But today we are looking for 12 months of electricity usage historical data from the APS website. So just go up to the My Energy tab, scroll down to Usage History. From here, it's going to display a chart of, usage, based on kind of a visual chart of this is almost 3,000 here and just about 4,000 here, but we're looking for exact numbers. So we're going to go click on this download usage data button here. And when I click it, it's going to give an option here of do we want to open it, do we want to save it or cancel. Well, I want to open it. That's going to automatically signal my computer to also launch Excel and open that spreadsheet. When you see your usage on your screen, click the Enable Editing button just so then you can kind of get in here and click around if you want to. And this is the column that we're looking for right here, G, total usage. So what I do is I just count off 12 months, 6, 7, and then I'm going to copy those, and I'm just going to paste them over here. That's it. And I don't know why APS does this on their end, but for some reason, these numbers, even though you see them as numbers, Excel interprets them as text or data. So you see how it says 1471 there? Well, I'm just going to type right over it again, except this time I'm going to go 1471.0. So 141.0, 1107.0, 716.0, I'm just going right down the list. That way I can have them totaled by the program here and not have to do it with the calculator. So then now at the very bottom in this empty cell, I'm going to take my mouse over here and get to this auto sum button. Click there, and if I hit enter, well, it gives me the total there of 22,366. And what I always like to do is I like to make that number bigger. And then from here, that's the annual number, 22,366. If you divide that by 12, that comes up with 1,863 kilowatt hours per month. So the solar system that I'm going to build for Ed and Juan is on average going to create 1,863 kilowatt hours a month. And so if you're considering solar with me or another company anywhere out there in the universe, and you use APS as your utility, now you know how to get your own usage history, find out for yourself what your solar system's production target should be on an annual basis and on a monthly basis. If you have any questions, or if there's anything I can help you out with, or if you would like to see a solar proposal and see what solar would do for you and your family, please give me a call, 480-200-4486. Thank you.